Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you again with another new and exciting product, or in this case, a product update from the team here at Speedwerx. We're going to be talking 9R and RMK boost applications in our clutching packages. If you want to see all the info and everything right now, just click the link below, take you right to our website. You can check it out. If you want to keep listening, great. Talking about this update, we have kits and setups out there. They work great. Guys love them. This is even better. There's even better response, especially on the boost stuff. A lot more consistent RPM through a variety of different terrains that you'll see out in the backcountry. And plain and simple, the sleds are just more fun to ride. They're more playful, feel more powerful, feel like they have more response. It's just a much better setup when you put guys on it. They're like, wow, that just has a clutch kit in it. And yes, it does. So I'll break it down for you. Comes with one of our billet 6061 billet lightweight helixes. One, we make them out of billet, allows us to be more aggressive with our machining. And two, they are 0.4 pounds lighter than stock. Yes, almost a half a pound. I'll get to you in a minute. 0.4 pounds lighter than stock. And then we also switch back to the Twin Tracks Helix. So it comes with our R2 rollers, which are like the smaller, older rollers from previous models. So it gives you two angle options. Our H5 alloy springs, we warranty these for 5 years. One of our secondary springs, one of our primary springs. Then we run the nylon washer on all the P22 stuff. We run this nylon washer on the bottom of the spring. This would basically go onto the spider. Fun day here at the shop. Put the nylon washer in, and then you put the spring on, and that just helps prevent the spring from binding in those billet spiders and the new spiders and stuff. Really breaks down on the chances of the springs breaking. And then we're running our newest, latest, and greatest style ripper weight in these machines. These are a dual adjustable setup. There's a belly weight, which you can run a 2, 4, 6, or 8 gram weight in there. When you get them from us, it's already going to be preset for your elevation and your riding conditions, but there are tuning options. And then in the main body, which if you pry the clutch open a little bit with the new billet spider, you can get in there and adjust on that screw as well. And there's 5 or 6 different weight options there. But again, these are going to come preset from us, ready for you to install. And if you do want to play with it, you do want to change it, great. If you just want to buy the kit and have something that rips, it will. Retail price on these kits will be $629.95. They're going to be available on the website here very, very soon if you don't see them right now. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, let us know, and we'll see you on the snow.